Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a cute little Christmas mouse. So I'm going to start by drawing two little circles. These are going to be his eyes. So I'm going to do a little circle inside those circles and color the rest black. If you want to wait and leave all your coloring till the end when you're actually finished drawing your picture, then that's fine too. All right, so now I'm going to do a little nose. So it's like a soft triangle shape. Now I'm going to give him a little mouth. So one little U shape and then another. And I'm going to come on down, almost make another U shape. And then I'm going to do a little curved line there. So this is his tongue, and then this is just a dark part of his mouth. Okay, so now I'm going to make a little curve here and a little wiggly line like that. Same on the other side. And then come across. Now I'm going to come on up and do a curve and a circle. And then come on down. Okay? Now I'm going to make almost a circle, but it's not a full circle. And over here I'm going to do the same thing. Like that. And then I'm going to come on down and give him a little cheek. So almost like a bracket. And then same on the other side. Okay. On the insides of his ears, I'm going to do a circle. And same over here. And then I'm going to give him 3 little whiskers on both cheeks. And I'm going to give him a little bow. So I'm going to do a square. And come on out. And down. And go back in. And same over on the other side. And I'm going to do 2 lines like that. Another line, another line, and then do a horizontal line to connect the both there. Okay, and so now I'm going to give him his little belly. I'm going to do a little line like this. This is like the same kind of line we gave his cheeks, only it's a bit bigger because this is his belly. And same over here. Okay, and I'm going to give him 2 cute little arms. And I'm going to come on down here and give him a little leg. Same over there. And draw a straight line here. Come down a little bit on both sides. And he's going to have his little feet. Okay, now he needs a tail. So I'm going to do a curved line. And then bring it on back in. All right, so now I'm going to color him in. All right, so there we have our picture of our little Christmas mouse all finished. So I hope you had fun drawing. I hope you have a really, really good day, and I hope to see you back here for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!